Scivation Xtend BCAAs review. Description: 7 grams BCAAs, 0 grams carbs, 0 grams sugar, 0 calories. Support muscle growth, support recovery, replenishes electrolytes. 30 servings. Natural and artificial flavors. Dietary supplement. NSF Certified For Sport. Informed choice trusted by sport. Scivation Xtend contains 7 grams of BCAAs in the nature-designed and widely researched 2:1 ratio along with glutamine and citrulline malate. Plus, with a proprietary blend of hydration-promoting electrolytes, Scivation Xtend is the delicious, refreshing, sugar-free way to help anyone grind through a grueling gym session. World-class athletes, elite bodybuilders, champion powerlifters, and weight training enthusiasts of varying types use Scivation Xtend during their workouts in order to help them train longer, harder, and with more intensity. Use Scivation Xtend to get the most out of your next workout. Customer reviews. For more reviews and prices, click link in description.